still don't have an intro. Welcome to the video. We're doing bottle rockets today. We're gonna shoot them into the sky. Bottle rockets into the sky. Avery's here. This is her bottle rocket. We didn't build this. We're not smart enough to do science.
I just happened to look down the street and they had no ideas.
Yeah. All right, we changed locations because it's prettier here and quieter.
Heck you little hecker McGee.
All right, we're back. we're here at the river now to explain science. So basically, what happens? So essentially, what happens is you fill this bottle up with water, and then you pressurize it using the bike pump, and the pressure builds up, and it's sealed in with this amazing pipe, and it holds everything in. And then when you release it, the air molecules and water molecules are pushing in every direction, but the only direction it can go is down. The only direction it can go is down. And because all the air molecules are pushing down, it pushes the actual rocket up into space.
I'm just gonna cut out Avery in this entire scene.
Back to me.
Precious labs!
We're pressurizing the rocket, and at some point I'm gonna have to let go, and this thing is gonna fly to the moon.
So I'm just gonna keep pumping and then he's gonna let go and it's gonna let go.
I'm wet.
Okay.
This thing. Tell me when.
Don't point it towards my house. Alright.
So much for my sweatshirt. Can you do the funny thing?
It's just water.
Okay, so looking back in this clip, I realized that you actually can't see the rocket at all. The rocket did fly over the roof. We just didn't really have time to film and record that. That's why we didn't do this project in more depth.
Bye! It's a propellant to fuel mixture sort of thing.
And probably hold on better.
Yeah, you probably don't release all the pressure right away.
Yay!
Yeah!